Okay, so we're going to move on to the last skill in this unit, which is one which catches out loads of people in GCSEs, and I don't want you to be one of those people who's caught out. So I'm going to just write down here what the mistake is that people do. So 3 people take 6 days, therefore 9 people, well, timesing it by 3, need to times it by 3 here, gives you 18 days. Now just have a think, does that make sense? If 3 people took 6 days to build a pond, would it really take more people more time? Does it really make sense if you have more workmen on a task that it takes them more time to complete? No, it doesn't. These are in inverse proportion, so you cannot use the method of multiplying one to multiply the other. Be really careful. As soon as it's anything about work rate, then you are looking at what we call inverse proportion. And the way we do this, 3 times 6 equals 18 what we call man days. So that is how many days of labour in total. And I could do that in a number of ways. I could have 18 people just working for 1 day. I could have 1 person working for 18 days. As long as 18 days of work are delivered, that pond will get built. So if I want to know how long it's going to take 9 people, 18 divided by 9 is going to give me 2 days. Be super careful with these. The maths is easy, it's just so easy to make a mistake and multiply as I've shown down here. Okay, when you're ready, pause the video now. When you're ready, unpause and we can go on to some questions. Okay, just 4 questions there for you to try. Pause the video now while you look at the questions, have a go at them yourselves, and then when you're ready, press on pause for the solutions. Okay, let's just have a look at the solutions to these here. So here it's 36 man hours to build the sandcastle. If it's 6 people, 36 divided by 6 is 6 hours. Here it's 8 times 5 is 40 cow days. If I've got 10 cows, it's going to give me 4 days. Here it's 3 times 18 gives me 54 person minutes of pizza to eat. 54 divided by 5 gives me 10.8 minutes. Changing that 0.8 into seconds, 0.8 times 60 is 48. It says 10 minutes, 48 seconds. Last question. You'd expect to see this right at the end of a foundation paper. So 8 times 5 is 40 machine hours needed. Now, for the first 2 hours, I've got all 8 machines working, so 16 machine hours have been delivered. There's 24 machine hours remaining. I've now only got 5 machines to deliver it, so 24 divided by 5 gives me 4.8 hours for those machines to be working, which is 4 hours 48 minutes. So I've got 4 hours 48 minutes where I've only got 5 machines, and I've got 2 hours where I've got all 8 machines, altogether 6 hours 48 minutes. If you need any further help on that topic, please look at inverse proportion on Hegarty Maths and give yourself a mark out of 4. Very well done.